To integrate Bill4Time with QuickBooks, start by logging into your Bill4Time account and navigating to the integration settings. From there, select QuickBooks as the accounting system you want to integrate with and choose the type of QuickBooks you are using, either QuickBooks Online or QuickBooks Desktop. Next, you will be prompted to authorize the connection between Bill4Time and QuickBooks. This involves entering your QuickBooks login credentials and granting Bill4Time permission to access your QuickBooks account. Once the connection is established, you can configure the integration settings to determine how data is synced between the two systems. One of the key concepts to understand when integrating Bill4Time with QuickBooks is the concept of mapping. Mapping refers to the process of matching fields and data types between the two systems to ensure seamless data transfer. For example, you may need to map the Bill4Time invoice field to the QuickBooks invoice field. To do this, go to the mapping settings in Bill4Time and select the QuickBooks field that corresponds to each Bill4Time field. You can also set up default mappings for common fields such as client name and invoice date. It is essential to take the time to carefully review and configure the mapping settings to ensure accurate data transfer and avoid errors. In addition to mapping, you also need to configure the sync settings to determine how often data is synced between Bill4Time and QuickBooks. You can choose to sync data manually or automatically at set intervals. It is recommended to set up automatic syncing to ensure that data is up to date and consistent across both systems. Best practices for integrating Bill4Time with QuickBooks include regularly reviewing and reconciling data to ensure accuracy and consistency. You should also establish a routine for resolving any data discrepancies or errors that may arise during the sync process. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully integrate Bill4Time with QuickBooks and streamline your accounting and time tracking processes. This integration can help you save time and reduce errors, allowing you to focus on growing your business and serving your clients.